In this video, we'll show you how to create compelling blog content with the help of AI technology. Intellect is a powerful tool that can help you generate unique and high-quality articles and blog posts in just a few clicks. It uses advanced algorithms to analyze your topic, research keywords, and suggest content ideas that match your audience's interests. To get started, log into your Intellect dashboard and click on the blogging tab. From here, you can choose any template to work with. There are several to choose from. Then enter your topic. This could be anything from healthy living to best travel destinations. Once you've entered your topic, the software will generate a list of content ideas based on your audience's interests. You can select the ideas that you find the most compelling and relevant to your audience. After selecting your content ideas, the software will generate article drafts that you can edit and customize to your liking. Once you're satisfied with your blog post, that's it! You can now publish it on your website or blog. The AI Intellect Content Creator makes it easier to create high-quality content, saving you time and effort. With this powerful tool, you can create compelling and captivating blog content that engages your audience and grows your online presence. So what are you waiting for? It's easy with Intellect. Join the AI revolution.